Hi students, welcome to week 3. This week we're going to be doing two things. We're going to be doing Lab 2, which is very important for the test, and studying for Test 1 with Test 1 review material. See that the week 3 stuff was available yesterday. Please look at the checklist that tells you what you need to do for your attendance. So Lab 2 should be printed and completed. You don't need to upload it to me to grade, but you really need to read through it and do it for to prepare for the test, because the concepts that Lab 2 covers will be tested on Test 1 and aren't really tested in the depth that we need for from WebAssign. So make sure you do Lab 2 as well as all the questions in the Test 1 review. The key is also uploaded. And remember that homework from 2.8 is due this coming Sunday, even though it was assigned last week. It kind of rolled over. Week 3 discussion board is due tomorrow night, and I forgot to put a link in the week 3 folder, but I will do that, or you can also get to it directly from Collaboration. So you'll see it there, and someone's already posted. So if you've taken calculus before, you might know shortcut rules of the stuff that we did this past unit. But I think I mentioned before, the expectation is that you use like the limit definition of the derivative. And if you know your shortcut rules, you can check yourself with it, but you need to show work on the test, and you're going to need to show that you know how to do the limits algebraically, or symbolically is another way to say it, and that you know how to find the derivatives that way too. So that's one thing I'd like you to remember. Another thing, the calculator is a non-graphing calculator. That's the only type that's allowed, or that it's in the proper mode. If you do use it on trig functions, there's really no need to use it on trig functions. I'll tell you that on the test. Let's see, what else did I want to mention. You have to show your work for full credit on the test. I hope that you've already registered in Register Blast. If you have any problems with that, let me know. And the test opens tomorrow, and the last day it's available is Monday. And remember, there are no hours for the ELTC on Sunday. The last thing I wanted to mention was I recorded the WebAssign Quiz 1 grades into the Blackboard gradebook, so you'll see your grade there, and they were good. But remember, those are only from 2.1 to 2.3, so there was a lot of material after that it's going to be on the test. And this Hurricane Dorian, I don't know how many of you, I'm assuming most of you in Wake County, if we are impacted by it, we'll let you know. And if you're impacted by it, let me know. And remember that a missed test is replaced by the final exam grade, so it's not a huge deal. Again, I just want to reiterate, don't blow off Lab 2 even though it's not graded, because it's important. And any questions on it or on anything, please let me know. And wish you good luck on the test, and have a good week.